Hey guys, this is the Aaron Dean trial that's going on in Fort Worth, Texas. Now, earlier today, this is his mother in there testifying. Now, if you notice, we're at about the 6:30 mark here. But if you go back to about an hour and a half, you'll see where this attorney looked for Mata to be in the courtroom. And he called up another Mexican person that just happened to look like Mata. They swore him in and sent him out to the hallway and put him under admonishment not to discuss the case. This seems like a new way to shut down First Amendment auditors and other press people. But if you listen here, she's testifying to people that were outside the courtroom.
Ms. Dean, you were here yesterday in the courthouse, is that right?
Yes, sir.
And you were here when the jury reached its verdict?
Yes, sir.
And then we recessed for the evening?
Mm-hmm.
And then did you walk from the courthouse to a car that was parked somewhere downtown?
I'm going to object, Your Honor, to this line of questioning, the reproach.
No, I'm going to let it go.
Yes, my husband went to pick up the car and picked me up.
Okay. Did he pick you up down here next to the courthouse?
Yes.
Were there other members of the family present?
Yes.
And was there an incident that occurred out by the street?
There were a lot of people yelling
Yelling who?
at my family.
What kind of things were they yelling at?
I'm going to object, Your Honor, to hearsay.
Sustained. Were the things they were yelling at you true?
No.
Were they accusations?
Yes.
What were they?
I'm going to object, Your Honor, to hearsay.
Sustained. The judge, we're not offering it because it's true, we're offering it because it was said.
Then I would object to relevance.
Understand the objection sustained.
So it's hearsay and not relevant. Shouldn't be admitted.
Yes.
Were those people being kind to you?
No.
Did you feel safe?
Only because there were a lot of sheriff's deputies around.
Lots of feelings.
Was it a very bad situation?
Yes.
Are you concerned about it going forward?
Yes.
Pass the witness. Mr. Smith?
You've seen Tatiana Jefferson's siblings in this courtroom, haven't you?
Yes.
It wasn't the Tatiana siblings, these people outside yelling at you. What was it?
I don't really know who it was.
You saying it was...
Okay, see now she goes on to repeat a couple times that she doesn't know who it was that was outside. But again, this defense attorney is determined to shut down some people. And so we're going to go ahead and fast forward a little bit here, and you'll see her leaving. And now pay attention to what happens here.
Mr. Brissett. Your Honor, I believe Mr. Mata addressed this when he's present. We ask that he be sworn in and put under the rules. Is there a Mr. Mata in the courtroom? You'd stand right there at the rail for me, please, sir. Raise your right hand for me. Do you solemnly swear or affirm testimony given this cause to be the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I don't know what this is. I don't understand what's going on.
I'm swearing you in as a witness. So,
What authority, sir?
all right, jury, go to the jury room.
This was planned, folks.
Everyone may be seated. Mr. Mata? Is your name Manuel Mata?
Yes, sir.
Your date of birth is 7/8 of 1980?
Yes, sir.
All right. I have issued you an oath to testify truthfully. Are you going to take that oath?
I have a question, sir.
No. Are you going to take that oath?
No.
All right. You are on bond on some cases, is that correct? Those bonds are being declared insufficient, Sheriff.
For what, sir? What's going on? What did I do? I need my lawyer present, sir.
We will get
start doing. I don't know what's going on. For what? For what? I asked him a question. I don't have no knowledge of this case. And I just wanted to know who's asking for me to be sworn in. The DA, the defense, the judge, who's asking it? Those are questions I need answers if you're gonna revoke me. You ain't gotta be a careful when you do.
Let me see the lawyers.
Now, before they muted there, you could hear one of the attorneys act like you can't do that, judge. You can't do that, judge. And there's a lot of questions about whether he can actually do that.